Don't know why he's shouting like that. That's a big pan. Slices the meat. I'm sure this is not a goat, and also it is not a beef. Don't know which animal is this. What's that white stuff? Lots of spices, leaves, chilies. What is this? Spring onion. That's the meat. Has some dressing. Closes the pan. Let's look at the output. Okay, the white stuff helps to cook the meat. That's it. It traps the heat going out, and that way the meat cooks well. Look at this. I don't know why he added that spices and all that white stuff, but in the output he only shows the meat. He's happy. Don't know who's gonna eat the whole thing, but it looks pretty good. Here comes the Sisi and Burak, the smiling chef from Turkey. Okay, this method we saw in the earlier video. Removes the tire, adds the rotator, sticks the meat to it and rotates it. That guy used car, but Sisi and Burak uses it with a tractor. Some rice, cooked beef leg, bread. That's it. Of course, it's gonna taste good. It's a large beef leg. It cuts into pieces. Chicken leg. Wow, the broth. He carved his face on tomato. And here's a KFC style chicken leg. I mean beef leg. Wow. The bone actually slides out of the meat. So soft and tender. That's it. KFC style chicken and beef leg with some rice, mayonnaise and sauce. I don't know if it's beef or camel. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, follow my page, Amazing Food Videos, and turn on notification